Hi, and welcome to Anthony's Amazing World, where today I'll be working on a 1954 7.5 Evinrude outboard motor. We'll be taking off the carburetor today. Couldn't find any helpful videos on YouTube, so I'm just going to roll with the flow by getting this piece off right here. And then getting the carburetor off itself, and then I'll have another video of rebuilding the carburetor. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and jump right in it. Looks like these two are to the body of the carb. So I'll go ahead and take those off. We got oil. Probably from when I was lifting it up. This is on here pretty good. Oh, that one jumped real good. I'll have to pause and get something to get that one off. Alright, got a couple ideas that'll work. You got this snap-on screwdriver and a wrench. I'm gonna put it right there. See if I can pop this right off. Look at that. Booyah. Leverage, that's what I needed. There's the other one. Boom. Looks like I had to take this nut off too. Cut these two screws there. There we go. One. Alright, now loosened up. Yep, looks like this nut is keeping me from taking it off, so we'll get that off.
Torque specs for an automatic transmission, 97 Ford F350.
Looks like I have to take off the, is this a high end needle or a low end needle? One of the two.
Transmission and torque specs, 1990.
just to get this whole, there we go. Cut that off now. I think this is, holds in that. So I'm gonna keep that in place there. There. Now I gotta get, looks like 11 here and 11 on the back side here. Gotta disconnect the throttle and disconnect this. Then it should come off. All right. Go ahead and bend this guy straight. So we can get it out of its hole. There we go. Spring action on that. All right. Yep, it's an 11. So undo that. That one. This one. This one's a little gooed up. Let's see if I can give it a little, make it a little easier. There we go. There's my dad in the background burping and belching.
Good stuff.
All right, just about to come off. There, oop, dropped a nut. All right, there we have it. Now stay tuned. We'll watch the next video and how I'm going to rebuild this.